What is up, Fox? It is super windy here, but I thought you guys would want to see. Oh, yay. There's little man. Look how big he's gotten. What do you got in your fur, monkey bear? Hey. Stinky. He's getting big, yeah. And then we got the other two monsters. Bailey! Bailey! Here he comes. He's Bailey. Bailey's just a cutie. Aren't you, Stinky? He's like, I'm not answering to Stinky. And then, I don't know if you can see her, but Amiga is right there. Hi, Amiga. Say hi. The mailman's here. They do that every day. I'm starting to think that the mailman owes them money. Because they are like mean mugging the hell out of the mailman. Not so much the mail lady. Every once in a while they will. But the mailman, yeah, I think he owes them money. Something's going on. Can I help you, sir? And his hair is so freaking long. Look at his little fuzzies blowing in the breeze. He's a weirdo. He's a weirdo. I just thought I'd say hi. Let you guys see how big he's gotten. He has to get, basically, like, I have to take him into the vet and get him cleaned. Which is not usually a problem. We usually bathe our dogs by ourselves. We have a huge tub. But we got my windows done. Well, they finished the windows and doors. Well, some caulking got on the floor. Not caulk. The stuff that seals windows and doors, or the frames of windows and doors and shit like that. Things to make it seal. He found a piece of it and he tried to eat it. We got it away from him, but now he's got caulking down the side of his face and a little bit on his neck. So now I got to go to the vet and ask him how much to get that off, because I can't. Kind of irritated. I'm just glad the caulking stuff wasn't, because it was mostly dry, wasn't poisonous. As retarded. But yeah, he's a cutie. They went to go check the mailman. I'm telling you, the mailman owes them money. Does the mailman owe you money? I think that means yes. The mailman owes me money. Well, I just want to check in, say hi. Tell you that there's caulking down the side of my dog's face. Isn't that fun? Yeah. The only dog I can think of that chews caulking like gum. There wasn't really very much of anything on the floor, but he found it. It's like he searches out ways to be a pain in the ass. But yeah, I gotta get him. I basically gotta get my dog dry cleaned, because he's got shit on him. Poor puppy. I worry about him sometimes. If he eats caulking, what else will he eat? Paint chips? Babies? I don't know. He's weird. And another thing, like, because he's a puppy and I'm home alone, I have to leave my door open so I can see him. So when I take a shower, like, you'd think it would be hard and you'd struggle to see him. You'd be like looking all over the place through the shower door. No, he makes it super easy for you. He sits directly outside the shower door like he's waiting for a bus, looking in at you. Yeah, he basically chaperones you in the bathroom. I think it was my husband went to take a dump, and the dog just came right in and curled up on the floor and fell asleep. He said it was very, very concerning. The dog is bathroom. He just loves bathrooms. Something about bathrooms. Either he's a pervert or he likes bathrooms. I'm not quite sure. Still trying to figure that one out. If anyone knows, please let me know. But yeah, he's huge. He's 71 pounds of retard. Even the vet will tell you that one, that's a true statement. It's gross outside. I was supposed to be taking kids to soccer practice. Oh, you can't see outside. There we go. But as you can see, it's like raining and gross outside. And windy as shiza. Uh-oh. The mailman's back. But yeah. I don't know if I'm going to take him to soccer practice. If I do, maybe I'll go live. Who knows? Feeling feisty. I'll be there for 2 hours. Alone. While the kids play soccer. Well, they practice playing soccer. I don't know. We'll see. Well, that's it. I just thought I would let you guys see my gigantic fluff ball. Hey. Alright. Like, share, subscribe. You know the deal. And I'll talk to you guys later. Deuces.